Hello and welcome, I'm Jason Manav of Engel Folkers, and welcome to 3355 Weald Road. We're standing inside the living room of this 1931 English period style home set on an 11,000 plus square foot lot and offering approximately 3,000 square feet of finished living, and it has been renovated from top to bottom so you can move in, enjoy the home and do nothing. I'll let the video speak to you on that. But if you don't know this neighborhood, this is set in the Uplands, and Weald Road is considered one of Upland's best streets. And when I say that, I'm telling you because of the privacy. It's tree lined, it's narrow, people don't pass through here very often. It's got that magical country-like feel. Trust me, if you drive down the street, you will understand and appreciate the magic of this street and the neighborhood.